How to download the Need for Speed Most Wanted. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to log in into your Steam account. Now from here you have to go in the search and search for the Need for the Speed. Now from here is the option of the Need for Speed Most Wanted. You have to tap on it. Now from here you have to add it to your wish list. From here you have to scroll down and here is the option to add to cart. From here you have to add it and you have to go in the view my cart. Now from here you have to go in the continue to payment, but you have to make sure that you select your for your account or your private or it is as a gift, and after that you have to simply continue this. Now you just have to select the payment method like the PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express and continue this, and you are able to buy the Need for Speed into your PC or the laptop. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.